Simcha. Thank everybody for coming and spending some time on Shalom together with us. Last night in my sukkah, I had some visitors and I asked them a question. And I told them I'm not giving them an answer, I want them to think about it. This morning I came to shul, the fellow asked me, so what's the answer to the question? The Torah tells us, Sukkot we celebrate, Chag HaOsif, the time that we gather in our bountiful crop. Our produce, we're successful, we made it rich, a successful season. Is that a reason to have a yontif? This is the question that I asked them. Baruch Hashem, we have to be thankful for HaKadosh Baruch Hu if we have means to serve Him and to take care of our needs. But is that really a reason to have a yontif? This is not my question. It's a question that's asked by the Tver Shlomo. However, I would like to offer an answer which I believe will give meaning to a Simchas Beis Hashoeva. We have Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. On Yom Kippur, we live the life of a malach, as we spoke about on Yom Kippur. What happens on Sukkot is something very unique. Normally speaking, there's no mitzvah to eat, no mitzvah to sleep, no mitzvah to tayel. These things are called rishus. All of a sudden, the things that are rishus become a mitzvah. What could possibly be the meaning behind such an idea? We do nothing in the sukkah that we don't do in our house. That's called rishus. What is so spectacular about the sukkah? And I believe, based on things which I've heard in the past, that the answer is very simple. Being a malach is one thing. But to be able to take all the gashmias and use it in the service of Hashem, imagine, you eat a chocolate bar and you're makayim a mitzvah. And it's not to support the dentist. It's not the mitzvah. Whatever you do, eat, sleep, it has the power of a mitzvah. HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us this chag, that all the things that we normally consider mundane are beefed up and turned into a mitzvah. This is what makes us greater than a malach. A malach can serve Hashem, but not with the gashmias. We can take that gashmias, and it's not even a mitzvah. No special mitzvah of eating in the sukkah, except possibly the first night. No mitzvah to sleep in the sukkah. If you're going to sleep, you have to do it in the sukkah, but you don't have to sleep. So the point of sukkahs is that we're given the kelim. We're given the ability to make it happen in the service of Hashem. I believe that if we think about that, we would understand that there is no greater simcha, no greater feeling of fulfillment for a person to be able to live in the Olam Hazeh and at the same time be living in the sublime, in the sukkah of Orish of Yosef. We're living a life in the sukkah of the Kadosh Baruch Hu. When we're here today and we're expressing our simcha, what we're expressing is that even popcorn can be a mitzvah. Imagine that. Takes a lot of imagination. But it can be. It can be because we're here and we're making a statement that all of the ideas and ideals that we had on Yom Kippur that made us malach-like, on Sukkot make us human-like. That we can be the humans that can enjoy Olam Hazeh L'tzorech HaMitzvah. A person has a bountiful crop, and he has a big parnasa, and he says it's all for the Eibishter. How does that happen? The Alter Belzer Rebbe asked the question. The Gemara Baba Metzia tells us that Ein HaBrocha Motzei Al Hadavar Shem it's Monui, so for anything that's counted, there's no bracha in it. And yet, we're told to tithe, see how much money we made, and give meiser. And then we're going to have a bracha. It seems against the principle. So the Alter Belzer Rebbe said that the answer is very simple. If you're counting to find out how much money you have, there will be no bracha. But if you're counting to know how much meiser to give, so then that counting is a counting of ruchnius. That we be zaycha, that we count our blessings, and when we're sameach with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, with all which He has given us. Chag sameach.